Goodness. It's 45 degrees out right now. It's quick fall. It's a high of 63 today. Probably looks just the same as every other day, but it's quite brisk out this morning. Quite brisk. WalMart. Here we are. I do prefer the orange though. Shoot. Why won't anybody stock orange this year? One is not going to do it for me. I don't feel like traipsing around town looking for them though, you know? Shoot. I'm going to get what I get here. Oh no. What's the price on those? Sure pretty though. And then snapdragons and beautiful geraniums, zinnias, mums. Jeez, I don't know, guys. Seems like a lot. I can't really use that hand. 748. There's quite a few plants in there though. It's like a whole flat, really. Give or take. Maybe that's what I should do. That way I don't have to go running around the stores. I mean, if they had more of this, you know. I feel terrible on keeping their door open. I love the orange ones. What are the orange ones? Well, if Walmart has them, Lowe's has them. I'm thinking about it. What do you think? 5 packs at $7.50. That's it for the big raised bed I got. Plus I have all the little violas and stuff to put in there. That's it. That's it for pansies this year. Except don't you just want these and those too? And those happy ones. I have some of these, I think, already. I'm all set. No need to be greedy. Mostly bikes out here. Yay. All right. Oh, wait a minute. What's that over there? That's something. Let me go do some more shopping and I'll be done. But also I want to come over here because what is this? It's the same thing. Oh, they're on sale, clearance, because they didn't get watered. Okay, why not? Why would somebody put that on clearance? They've been watered since they were put on clearance. That's quite a sale. Yeah, somebody watered them afterwards. They're not in bad shape at all. I've seen a lot worse. All right, let me go replace a few of the expensive ones then. Even though they might look better now. Save myself a buck or two. Really am missing the orange ones. I'm sorry that this door keeps opening. So I'll put this one. These are actually getting dry, by the way. One, two, three. Really like that dark one. about this one? Okay. So I got some on sale and some that aren't. That's pretty though. Yep, I'm all set. All right, I came in here for a reason. It's a little bit difficult with the hand. You know, I've only got a Band-Aid, but it kind of hurt it when I was checking out. But you think this is gonna work? I always put things in this side because when I back into the garage, this is the side I have open. Just not gonna work today, is it? I wish it would though. I wish it would. So this is $2.50. Search for that. This is $2.50. And this is $7. And they're just the same. Today, Band-Aid, but I am going to water.